Good morning, children. Hope you all are well. Today I am going to teach you the exercise, that is count, write and put this greater than, less than or equal to sign. I already taught you what does the sign and what is the name of all this sign and how does you will understand or identify where to put the each sign. But again I am going to teach you this through this exercise. So please take out your maths book, page number 3636, activity number 1616. Count, that means you have to count. Okay. Write, that means after counting you have to write the number. And put, that means after counting the objects, writing the numbers in both the group. Okay, you have to put the correct sign according to the circumstances or according to the situations. Okay children, so let's start. See, in the first picture you can see there are two groups of objects in which caps, some caps are given. Okay, so we have to count the caps. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in the first group there are 6 caps. Okay, so we'll write here 6 in the box. Okay, square shape box. And in the second group 1 2 3 4 caps are there, so we'll write here 4. So children, I already taught you, if the first number is the bigger number, so the open mouth will facing on the bigger number. So always remember, if the first number is the bigger number, then open mouth will facing the bigger number, or the crocodile will eat the bigger number or the bigger object. So 6 is greater than 4. That is the answer. Okay, second one. Here are some balls. Let us count the balls. In two groups, how many balls are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in the first group there are 8 balls, so we'll write here 8. In the second group, how many balls are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 balls. So children, now tell me, between 8 and 9, obviously 9 is the bigger number and the 9 balls are more in or greater in number. So the open mouth of the crocodile goes to the number 9. Okay, that means the first number, which is 8, is lesser than 9. So what will be the answer? 8 is lesser than 9. I hope you understand. Then let's move to the third number sum. See, in these two groups there are parrots. So let us count how many parrots are there in the first group. 1 2. So we'll write here 2. Then in the another box we have to count how many parrots are there above the box. 1 2. So children, in the first group 2 parrots are there. In the second group there are also 2 parrots. So in both of the groups the number of parrots are same. So when the number of objects are same in both the groups, or the things or whatever it is same in numbers, so we will use this sign. This is called equal to sign. So 2 is equal to 2. Clear? Now on the next sums, on the last sum, these are oranges. Let us count how many oranges are there in each group. So we'll start with here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So in the first group there are 7 oranges. And the second group, how many oranges are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So here 7 is greater number. So the open mouth of the crocodile, or the open face, okay, this one opening will be face to the number 7. That means number 7 or 7 oranges are greater than the 5 oranges. Okay children, so like this we have to understand, okay, how to solve this sums. I hope you understand, and if not, Please do watch this video again and again, and it will help you how to solve the sums. So thank you children, and have a nice day. Do solve the exercise in the maths book by putting CW and today's date. Sorry children, we forgot to write today's CW and date, so let us write CW. And what is the date today? Today is 1/1/11. 8, that means August month, and the year is 2020. Thank you children, and have a nice day.